Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. Video number 1420. It has come in the press today in Hindu and it has become an editorial column also regarding the Supreme Court lashing out towards the states of Gujarat and Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh regarding the sales pace or negligence shown by the governments in paying compensation to the victims of the COVID-19 deaths or deceased persons. While disposing the case of Gaurav Bansal versus Union of India, right? So in WP number 539 by 2021 on 19/1/2002, Supreme Court actually asked the chief secretaries of both these states to appear before the same virtually. So as per the orders, they appeared before the court virtually by 2 p.m. and actually they have to get the scathing criticism from the Supreme Court also. What transpired? We have to know. Two judges bench, Justice M.R. Shah and Sanjeev Khanna, they have issued notices to the chief secretaries of the states and later, upon the assurance given by them, they have granted, some more time, like 3 weeks or so, for paying the compensation. Friends, you may be knowing the corona pandemic, particularly the first and second waves, they have left so many children as orphans because they lost their parents. Such a sorrowful state where the husband is admitted in some ward, wife in some other ward. Nobody knows as to what happened to the husband even after wife recovered. Nobody knows as to what happened to the wife even husband recovered. And the dead body of the husband was not at all shown, or the wife was not allowed to see the dead body. And the children who were left at the home, they did not know whether the parents are alive or dead. Such is the very pathetic condition which you have seen particularly in the second wave. In that connection, the government has counted, of course, they have got a data. So according to the data, 10,000 children lost both parents in this corona pandemic. 10,000 children. And incidentally, the families, due to the death of wife, then husband has become helpless. Same is the case with the vice versa also. So then now the government of the Supreme Court came heavily on the states to pay compensation. Actually, according to the Disaster Management Act 2005, since it is declared as COVID is declared as a disaster, whenever any person dies, then 4 lakhs compensation has to be given. Now the Supreme Court of India asked the central government whether they are ready to pay that 4 lakhs or so. Then they said, no, they are giving only 50,000 because they have spent some money towards the prevention of the corona pandemic, towards making the people aware of the disease and sanitization, mask, all these things. They have told so many things. Anyway, whatever it is, now it is fixed that the government will pay 50,000 to the families of the COVID deceased. But this is also not being done promptly, regularly, and to the expectations of the general public. So therefore, the advocate Shri Gaurav Bansal, he is senior advocate practicing in the Supreme Court of India, he filed a writ petition in writ petition 539 by 2021, bringing it to the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and Supreme Court of India reacted on the same. Actually, Supreme Court of India has given clear instructions to disburse the ex gratia to the kith and kin of the victims, or kith and kin, that is victims of the deceased in the COVID-19 who died due to COVID-19. But so far, the states, let us confine to Andhra Pradesh, still they did not pay the compensation, right? So Supreme Court called the Chief Secretary, and even they also felt sorry. Hey, Chief Secretary, why should we call you? Did you not make RDO or RDOs to disburse the sentence? They said some difficulties. So Supreme Court noted that it is very unfortunate that the total and they have observed the total carelessness and negligence on the state of AP in not making payment regularly or timely. So the census says in AP there were on record only 14,471 deaths recorded. As per record, definitely it will be 10 times more than that in practical, but whatever is recorded deaths are 14,471. For that, 36,205 claims, 36,205 have been received. That means claims by the dependents. The father may be having 2 or 3 children, wife may be having 2 or 3, like that, 36,205 claims. Out of them, 31,000 claims are found to be correct or they are found to be ordered. Only there was confusion regarding 11,364 or so. Almost 10,000. Let us take 6,000. Out of them, the settlement for whom the settlement was done for only 11,364, but it's still 19,000 are left there. So is it the expectation to be reached? Not at all. So, and now in this connection, the Chief Secretary was, he said he is sorry. Okay, it is routine thing. He would see that the things are, he would see that the RDOs goes to the houses of the beneficiaries or victims and they will pay the so-called amount of rupees 50,000 each. In this connection, Supreme Court gave good directions also. They said, if the claims are rejected, the reasons must be communicated. This is just like our reasoned decision or reasoned order. If the claims are rejected, the reason should be communicated to the concerned. Please remember, no claims should be rejected on technical grounds. Of course, if the officers find any defect or deficiency, definitely an opportunity should be given to the party to rectify the mistake. So here in India, I've been always telling you that the government officers, they are in the habit of making queries, they are not in the habit of advising the people how to rectify the defects. Supreme Court has correctly noted it and they stated that yes, if any defect, you have to give opportunity to the party to rectify the same. So they appreciated the effort of Honorable Senior Advocate Gaurav Bansal for showing concern about the plight of particularly the children who lost their parents and the payment of compensation to them. This is really appreciable. Anyway, it has come in Hindu also. Please read the news item as well as the orders given by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Very pungent, very caustic, very actually lashing out remarks against the state machinery. Of course, the cheers, because of the already they are being disturbed with the PRC, salaries of employees. This is one part. Whatever it is, they are answerable to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court will not ask the Chief Minister. The Supreme Court will not ask the RDO. Definitely it will ask the CS. He has to reply. So good judgment. Please read it and definitely you will enhance your legal knowledge regarding the payment of compensation to the victims of the deceased of COVID-19. Thank you very much.